Finding a loan that fits your budget starts with exploring richmondcustomhomes.com. Can you buy a house after bankruptcy? Yes, but timing and preparation matter. Most lenders require a waiting period after bankruptcy. For example, it can be around 2 years for FHA loans and up to 4 years for conventional loans, depending on your situation. During this time, focus on rebuilding your credit by making on-time payments and keeping your debt low. Lenders will also look for stable income and consistent employment. Saving for a down payment can improve your chances and help you qualify for better terms. The key is showing lenders that you've recovered financially and can manage a mortgage responsibly. With patience and the right strategy, homeownership is still within reach. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.